Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and stop right now. Subscribe to my channel, okay? You're gonna love it here. You're gonna love it here. I wanna welcome you to the family now, okay? Because you've already subscribed, I know, okay? So this is a place where I do my hair, do a little bit of beauty. I basically just pull myself together. And I like to take people on the journey with me, and not just any people, like my family. So that's why you gotta subscribe, okay? And those who are already a part of the family, you already know the type of journeys we be going on with this hair here. So today, I'm gonna attempt to do a wash and go. Yeah, a wash and go. Now, you may be like, okay, girl, that's cool. I haven't done a wash and go in 10 years, okay? I don't even remember the steps that go into doing a wash and go at this point in my life, but we're gonna try it, okay? I went ahead and did the maximum hydration method, okay? If you have not seen that video, go check that out and then come back here so you can see how I'm about to get down with this wash and go, all right? And I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna try. We're gonna jump right into it. So let's go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let's see. My hair is still kind of wet, so that is good. And the whiteness that you see is like leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna get that really worked in really good, section by section. So it appears that with my hair, it works best with the shingling method, you know, like shingling, raking the product through. And so that's what I'm gonna do to my hair. So let me get everything sectioned out the way. But I'm not gonna twist it too tight because I don't wanna like destroy all the curls, but let's see. Let's twist this out the way. Here. Yeah, let's get this stuff out the way because we ain't working with them right now. That's not what we need to be focused on, okay? We're gonna focus on the back of this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this side because I always start with the side of my hair. Start with that left side. Oop, child, done lost the whole clip. Okay, y'all go ahead and start praying now, okay? Pull out all the stops. Pull out your candles, crystals, all of it, okay? Because I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Okay, because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I like to think I do a good job with my hair, but this time I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm out of my league here with this. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and moisten the hair, you know? All right, y'all, here I am just saturating my hair down with water. I'm just raking my fingers through my hair, trying to detangle a little bit and make sure that the water is well dispersed into my hair. I'm gonna go with my favorite, Curl Activator Creme, because we're trying to activate some curls. So let's go ahead and get that in there. I really hope this works. Got my brush here, got my Easy Detangler. And right here, I'm just using my Easy Detangler brush, just trying to work that product through my hair and just detangle my hair. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along, okay? I'm going with a little bit of olive oil. Seal all that in. This Eco Styler gel that I have. It looks white. Kind of nice scent to it. I use a healthy heat. And I'm just gonna go through and get it on my fingertips and shingle it on my hair. Is that how this goes, guys? I sure hope so. And watch this be like the worst looking side because I was testing it out. Okay, wait, wait a minute, hold on. Hold on, speaking too soon. Okay, hold on. So this is where we at. I went in and shingled each section. Now, this is what used to happen, right? I'll start off, okay. So you see how, let me get closer. Thing is clumping here. Okay, coming together, right? Things is clumping. And then it just starts to lay flat and get frizzy. What am I doing wrong? Okay, and I'm kind of nervous. Like, should I keep going? Or this gel I'm using is supposed to be like a perfect curl cocktail, but I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. All right, we're gonna get to the front. Now the front normally always just lay flat, but I mean, like I said, I did the maximum hydration method previously, right before this, so hopefully that should help my curls do something. Guys, I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know if this was a good idea. I think I should just went ahead and just styled my hair. I'm not sure about this, but we've committed to it, so we're gonna keep going. Y'all look at my hair. Y'all see me? I feel as though I'm giving very much, like I said, wet poodle vibes. Like, I am giving you high class poodle, okay? Like, I'm really giving it to you. Now, let me show you the back. I mean, she got movement now. The doll moves, okay? The doll moves. But you can see the curls back here, and like my hair texture is crazy. Look, okay? You see, this is doing stuff. This is wash and going right here. This is wash and laid. I don't like, I'm gonna have to, I don't even know. Guys, I'm kind of sad now. Because the back is like, the back is acting like it's wanna wash and go. The back is ready to go and do some stuff. But this front is just like, no, we're not with you. Now, the last 3 sections, you know, like that back section, I used my Easy Detangler. This front section and these 2 sections here, I just left it as was and just shingled through. I think I like that better because it allowed me to retain more of like the natural like curl. I think with this back section all the way back here, I broke up stuff too much. And even here, I think I probably broke things up too much because you can see more, I guess, natural clumping in some of these. But some of them, they don't. It's just like I'm here. Like, I'm giving you much more of that grudge. Like, I'm giving you a lot right now. And I don't know where to go from here. But like I said, we're going to go with it, okay? And if this doesn't work, y'all going to see it. And then y'all going to tell me how to fix it, okay? That's what y'all going to do, okay? All the products that I use are going to be in the description box. So y'all can look at those and be like, sis, you got it all wrong. This is where you went wrong. And then we can go from there. Because we're going to have to try it again. If I don't like the way this looks at the end, we're gonna have to do this again, okay? We're gonna do it until I get it right, okay? We're gonna air dry, and I'll be back. This is probably gonna take forever to dry, so I'll come back before I'm 50, I guess. Okay, all right, y'all, I'm back. It's been like 5 hours. I think about 5 hours, and no, probably like 6 hours, and my hair is completely dry with this wash and go. Now I'm going to include footage of my hair at around 2 hours so you can see like the difference. My hair is literally grown, and as it's been drying, I haven't like fluffed the roots. Like, they just did their own thing, okay? So here I am, you guys, giving y'all a little headband action. As you can see, my hair is not fully dry. You can see some of the white cast from the gel still on my hair, but I was still feeling myself. Like, I knew I was cute. Like, I felt mad cute, and you see it. I know y'all see it, them curls, okay? Well, being that this was my first wash and go in about 10 years, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I'm impressed that my hair was able to curl. I mean, I know my hair is able to curl, but like that it did some things. Like, my hair is very, very soft. I think that has a lot to do with like the hydration method that I use. Like, it is so soft. Even after like the gel and stuff that I put in there, like my hair is still like crazy soft, like no hard crunchiness. I mean, it moves. Baby, it's the movement for me. It's going back and forth for me. Do y'all see the volume? Okay. This wash and go is serving. Okay, it is. It really is. I mean, it comes back to a spot. Like, I'm pretty impressed. What I don't like about it is that like my hair, I'm used to my hair looking like a lot shinier than this. I do a lot of sleek styles, and so I'm used to my hair looking a bit more shiny than this, and that probably has to do with like my product combination. Like, all the products I use will be in the description box below. Y'all check them out and let me know where I went wrong and what I probably should use, or any other suggestions you have to like boost the shininess. But I do love this volume. Like this volume is everything. Like, yes. But all in all, I enjoyed the process. Like I said, I haven't worn a wash and go in 10 years, so I'm excited about the prospect of having a new hairstyle. Well, old hairstyle back in my arsenal, but something new that I can do all over again. And I definitely want to get better, and I would love you guys to help me get better. So definitely leave some comments down below on how I can improve on this. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave, right? Before you leave, you already know what you should do. Subscribe to my channel. You got it. Subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.